there's a huge difference, color temperature and brightness. What is happening, team? So today's video is going to be a short one because we are looking at the headlights on this car. So here's the thing, I recently noticed that my headlights are not that bright. You can see they look okay from here. They don't look too bad at all, but when you're actually driving, they're not that bright. So I thought I might look online to see if I can find something that's different, maybe an alternative, or replace with the exact same brand or same kind of bulb. So the current bulbs on the car are HID's xenon headlights, stock from factory. The car is 8 years old, so one bulb is 8 years old and the other one was replaced in 2021, which means I have different globes, and that's a bit of a problem because the color temperature is also different, which causes a bit of an issue when you're looking at the headlights at night. I received the package and I don't know what's inside, so I'm hoping these are the bulbs that I've ordered online. So this is the package that I received, and we'll go through it and see what we have in here. So here's my package, and these are LED D series D3S globes. So let's see. Yeah, so these are D3S, which is the same size as the ones I have in the car. So let's see what we have inside the box. So box looks quite nice. Okay. Oh. Okay. So these are the globes or the bulbs. So these bulbs, they are D3S spec, should be plug and play, really, no modification, nothing, and they come with a fan at the back, so this is for cooling purposes. Without wasting any more time, let's remove these and put in these. Yeah, so it's quite old. So this is an HID xenon headlight bulb. So I'm changing this, replacing it with the LED. I'm keen to see what the difference will be, honestly. Let's replace this with the new one. This is our LED, and it's got a fan for cooling. So apparently it's made of 5, 10, 15, 30 LED chips, 15 on each side. So it's got some copper. Now I'm installing the brand new LED D3S bulb, upgrading the entire look of my headlights. This is gonna be awesome. So you have to push it in place, ensuring that it locks in, and then there's a tab that you pull up just to lock the bulb in place. Once it's locked in, then you can put back the dust cover, and it has a little tab or lock thingy at the top. Then you just push that backwards, and then that locks the entire dust cover in place. Then once that's done, then the headlight is pushed back into place, which is where it's supposed to sit, and then screw it down to make sure that's locked in tight. Before we install the other one, I'm curious to see what difference it makes in terms of color temperature and brightness. Obviously we're not going to see a lot of brightness now, but I'm keen to see the color temperature, how different it is, the normal HID versus the LED bulb. So let's have a look first before we actually replace both of them. This is the new bulb. I can safely say this is brighter than the old one. absolutely a huge difference. So this is the old one. As you can see, it's sort of like fading away, but it's not really bright at all. And you can see this is the new one. It's absolutely bright. There's a huge difference. Color temperature and brightness, this makes a huge difference. Interested to see how it is at night.
A few moments later.
And there they are, looking really bright. I mean, the difference is literally night and day. So I can't wait to see these at night. So I'll give proper feedback as soon as I test them at night. Okay, that's different. That looks quite bright. The color temperature is completely different to the HIDs. So let's have a look at the color temperature from outside. Okay, that looks quite bright. Also a bit white. So okay, it's a completely different color pattern. It's completely different to the normal HIDs. Different colors, a different brightness. Okay, let's drive around. It's very bright. It's very bright. I can see quite clearly now. And let's see our high beams. Okay, I can see quite further. This is quite different. This is very interesting. So these bulbs, they definitely make a huge difference. LED upgrades, they make a huge difference, absolutely. With all that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.